Building a house is a big project, and there's something new and exciting happening in the world of construction. Did you know you can build with recycled materials? Let's explore how turning trash into treasure works. Imagine you're standing in front of a pile of old wooden pallets. They might look like junk, but these pallets could be transformed into pieces of a house. Recycled materials like these help reduce waste and save trees. That's just one way to make construction eco-friendly. Now let's dive deeper into how this works. When people think of building materials, wood, steel, and brick often come to mind. But recycled materials can include things like glass bottles, shipping containers, and even tires. Here's where glass bottles come into play. Picture a sunny garden wall made of colorful glass bottles. These bottles trap light and create a beautiful feature while being stable and strong enough to stand tall. It's like a sparkling piece of art that also supports being eco-friendly. Shipping containers are another interesting option. They are strong metal boxes used to transport goods across the ocean. When they are no longer needed, these containers can be repurposed as building blocks for homes. Imagine a cozy room inside a shipping container with large windows cut into the walls to let in light. Containers are perfect for stacking and can create unique structures. They're versatile and encourage creative designs. Tires, those round rubber things you see on cars, are also reused in construction. They might be used to reinforce earth walls by filling them with soil or other materials to provide insulation. Think of tires as sturdy frames that can help build earth-friendly homes. Using recycled materials is not only clever, but also very beneficial. It helps fight the growing problem of waste and promotes sustainability. Builders can create unique designs, reducing the environmental footprint one house at a time. The world of recycled construction is like a giant puzzle where people fit pieces together from parts they never thought could be used. It teaches us to think outside the box and appreciate the power of creativity. Next time you see a pile of old stuff, remember that maybe, just maybe, it could be part of someone's new home.